Graham Packaging is a custom blow molder that provides unique and proprietary solutions on the packaging side to all of our blue chip customers. Some of the business challenges that we face day in and day out are on the sustainability side in terms of the materials that we use, the recycling component to the materials, as well as reducing overall weight of our packages.
Customers want the same performance of a heavier 6-panel bottle. Now they're looking for new designs at a lighter weight. They want newer designs, less panels, sleeker performance, sleeker shapes.
We're using NX CAE to perform different types of analysis on the bottle to make sure it meets customer performance before we actually go and make the bottle. So some of the things that we're analyzing with NX CAE is the top load, which is to understand how the bottle is going to react on a pallet. Then a vacuum analysis is how it's going to react under hot fill.
NX has given us the opportunity to know what we're going to get before we actually cut tooling. We have less time cutting molds. We can change designs before we get into the mold manufacturing portion of it and improve bottle performance before we even get it into the machines.
One specific example that we were able to actually catch, the top load actually failed in the original design, so we were able to go back, redesign it, make the bottle with the updated changes and manufacture that bottle instead of the one that we initially came up with. So using an NX CAE, we were able to save about 5 weeks on that particular project.
We've made general assumptions through the course of many decades relative to our mold cooling.
It was basically trial and error. You'd cut a mold, you'd find out that you didn't have sufficient cooling in an area, or you could use it more in another part of the bottle, and then you'd have to go back in, take time, and more design work to try to improve that.
One of the things that we've explored and implemented recently is the NX Thermal and Flow.
Now we're just using NX Thermal and Flow, analyzing the mold, and then going straight to production. Some of the things using the thermal and flow tool that we've kind of picked up on is, cooling lines being unbalanced or flow channels not being exactly correct. Most of the times when we do the analysis, I'm looking for, are the cooling lines efficient? Is there a better way to cut the lines to make them more efficient? Or, does the design just work?
The thermal and flow tool in and of itself gives us an inherent advantage because, number one, our production lines and our production platforms are unique to Graham.
So to date, using NX Thermal and Flow on just the mold side of it, we've saved around $2 million with saving on mold costs and having to recuts.
A key concern of our customers is timing relative to concept to production and also cost.
So we're trying to beat our competitors to market and give the customer the best bottle possible.
NX is really the tool that allows us to expedite all of our engineering activities to get from a concept to production.
In the past, something that would take twice as long is now being cut in half.
And ultimately what that does, it increases our production, increases our output, and therefore makes us more profitable in the end. We are a proprietary company. We are driven by technology. Technology is the basis of everything that we do, and we are truly a global company with a global footprint. We have a lot of different satellite areas that work on different pieces of the business. NX is really the foundation that ties all of these different parts of the globe into one level playing field.
We're a lot more responsive because anyone can work on the design. It's not just specific to one individual.
We continue to use NX because we consider it to be best in class in terms of 3D modeling, the simulation solutions that it brings. When we're looking for the complete solution for our engineering needs, NX is that solution.